I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is Gallardo983 here. I hope you're having a great day and a great year so far. So first of all, I want to thank you guys for watching my videos. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button and click the notification button right here to stay notified every time I make a new video. You'll get an alert, and to make sure you can stay updated on my swing calls, investing, and all my new videos. Alright, so first of all, I want to say I'm making new videos on my calls, and I'm going to be doing my weekly goals. So right now my weekly goal is going to be $100, and I've already reached that since yesterday. Very close actually. I just about reached it. So let's go ahead and look at the trades. I took a screenshot of my trades from Robinhood and Ustocktrade. On my day trading, that's completely different. That's just day trading. That's daily position, so I'm not going to show those yet. I'm still doing my monthly, and I'm going to show the monthly review after it's done. So let's go ahead and look at my trades. So the first one was DHI. This is a Dr. Horton. This is the home builder, as you know, like Beezer Homes, Lennar Homes, Ryan Homes. This is one of the big ones. So I bought in around right at 51, and then I added more as soon as I got the confirmation. It dipped a little below, so that was a great dip, and then I got in, averaged down a little closer to 51, and then I got in yesterday, which was Wednesday, and then Thursday I sold it. So let's go ahead and look at the charts. This is the 180-day view. Let's zoom in over here. So I got my alerts right here. I set them up using the arrows, and I made my own script, but mainly I just look at the MACD. I barely even been looking at the alerts on the arrows. I just look at the MACD mainly. I'm gonna make a video on how to use that specifically and how it's been working great for me. So I got in at 51 right here. It's been consolidating right here, and then I knew it was gonna go up because as soon as this green came up right here, I knew it was gonna go up, and it was way oversold. This was below, so it was around 30s right here. So that's where I bought in, and then next day I sold it, and that was a good chunk profit right there. And also I'm holding a position. I've got in today since it dipped again. It was a pretty big dip. I think it was just profit taking, and I got in at 51.63 right here. I could have got in a little lower, but thank God it went up to 52 and then it came back down. I was like, that's a perfect buy right there. And then I'm still holding this for tomorrow. I got my sell at 52.25. As you see, like, I have my entry, exit, and stop loss all set up before I even get in the trade. That's the hardest part. Making the trade is super easy. You buy, sell, that's it. There's nothing there. The hard part is researching it, knowing when to get in and out, and just making sure that you're mentally and physically prepared to take that trade. And you want to make sure you have everything set up before you do it. So that's a good profit right there. So I'm up 20 on that. And let's go back here to Robinhood. That was I think this was like another 20-30 bucks right there. And the next one was MU. This is Micron. This is the like AMD, Nvidia. This is a chip maker. MU, they deal with a lot of technology. And let's go over here. So this has been up and down lately. It's just been trying to consolidate, just like Square stock. So on the chart right here, you can see that it's the lows are getting higher and the highs are getting higher. So that's good. So as long as these lows are higher than the previous lows, that's good. You can draw a straight line here. That means it's consolidating. It's gonna have a breakout soon or go up. So I bought in on the dip right here around 42. And then I don't have the screenshot of this where I got in and got out, but right here, average cost I got in 42.20, and then it was perfect. Sold at 43, I believe the same day, and around 43.20, and it kept going. So I sold around 43.26 or 43.27, $43.27, so it was more than $1 per share profit. And you see right here, that was my total return, and that's where I sold at 43.26 or 43.27, and it kept going 43 40s, and then I knew my MACD right here, it was overbought, it was too high, and it's going to come back down. So I sold before that, and profit is profit, so you got to be careful and just take that. So right here, it went up to 43.50s, and the next day it went up to 43.80, and then came back down. I think that was in the pre-market right there. Alright, the next one is going to be O. It's a realty income. This is a dividend stock. They pay dividends monthly. So on Robinhood right here, I got in at $52.98 and got out $53.57 just with 20 shares. So that's like $11, $12 profit right there. Not that much, but it was a really good swing. That's a good long term because they pay monthly dividends. So this is something you hold for a long time. If you look at the yearly view, you can look at it longer too, but it just goes up and down. This is not really meant for trading, but I just captured it on the swing trading. So my entry on that was right here, $52.98, and exit was $53.57. That was like one of the perfect trades I've ever taken since I started using MACD. So it was way oversold right here. It was high 52s, 52.80 right here, and then I got in as soon as it started rising, and once the candles were higher than the previous one, I started getting in, and once it flattens out like this, it's gonna go up. So you gotta read the charts. I'll teach you how to do that in another video using MACD and candlesticks like these. So it started going up, and this is gonna keep going up. See, it's not even crossed the 30 mark here. Below 30 is oversold, above 70 is overbought. So I sold early, but hey, profit is profit, so took that on there. That's a good long-term hold. So if you are getting that dividends, just buy that. So they do pay 21 cents something per share every month, I believe. Okay, so that's basically my recap on these. These are just I took screenshots from my Robinhood and Ustocktrade account, and just to show you the trades. I can't wait for the web version to come out on Robinhood so that I can easily go on there and show you guys. But until then, I'll probably be doing this. If not, I'll just type it right here what my entry and exit was. So I'm setting my weekly goals at $100 for every week, and that's going to be throughout for now because I'm just learning how to use the MACD and playing with that, and I'm going systematically and just trading like a robot basically. I have an entry, exit, stop loss. So far I haven't entered a stop loss into there, but it was just a mental stop loss. So before you go into anything, you want to make sure and be careful and have everything planned out. Alright, so that's going to be my weekly goal. I'm going to be making more videos, and I'm going to be calling these out before they go up. As you see in my video right here, made 3 solid ETFs video, but that's for investing. Also be making trading calls, and soon I'll be making a chat room on Discord app, and I'll put a link in the video. I'll make another video on that specifically, so you guys can join and chat on there. Alright guys, take care.